Hey guys, Chris here. I've got a John Deere X300 riding mower that I was contacted about. It's my wife's grandfather. He's got it attached to a snowblower, and he was snowblowing one day and it just cut out, he said. So I've got it here in his garage. It's about 30 degrees outside. Maybe 40 degrees in here. This garage isn't heated. I'm coming to him because my trailer is being used for something else this winter. So he calls me up, says it quit on him. So we kind of went through it. He thought it was the battery before I got out here, so the battery's brand new. When you turn the key, the engine spins, or the flywheel spins, but it doesn't go. So obviously, here, let me see if I can, just kind of like that, it'll go and go. So initially, we make sure it's not a fuel delivery issue. So we take some starter fluid, we spray it in there, nothing, still spins and spins. I put a lot of starter fluid in there. So we say, okay, then it's probably not the fuel. So I took the spark plugs out. Well, I connected my inline spark tester and ran it, and there's no spark. I looked through the wiring, didn't see anything. If you unplug, let me see if I can show you guys here. If you unplug this little black wire right here from both of the coils, it disconnects it from the electrical system. Sit here, and when I did that, it started right up and it ran fine. So that tells me that the coils are fine, the compression is fine, the fuel delivery is fine. So there's something in the wiring. Okay, so I went through all the safety. It's kind of an odd symptom that the engine will spin, because usually if you have a safety switch that's bad or something along those lines, you'll turn the key and you'll get absolutely nothing. But I went through all the safety switches, and they all tested good. I replaced it. There's another John Deere X series right behind here. I took the key switch out of that and connected it to here. Still the same thing. So what I found out after doing some research is that there is this part, the ECU, that has come in. It replaces a bunch of relays in these tractors. Got it right here. And these can blow and causes the symptoms that we hear of. And I've also heard that it can affect your fuel solenoid as well, and kill the power to that. So I got this part, and we're going to install it, and hopefully that does the trick. So this is actually a really easy installation. There's one 10 millimeter bolt holding it on. Let's see if I can show you here. So where'd it go? Right up here. Right at the top of the dash there. Where that gray and black connector is going in the top. I don't know if you can see that one bolt there, but we're going to disconnect it. We're going to plug in that new ECU, and we're going to hope that does the trick, because this is a $130 part. So, got our 10 millimeter, and we're going to give it a shot. All right. Don't know if you can see it. Here it is. So we're just going to disconnect this. little screwdriver to help me out here. This is really hard when your hands are freezing cold. All right. Hold it. Man. There we go. All right. All right, so that's the old one. And let's here's the new one. All right, so now I'm just gonna pray this does the trick. All right, let's see. There we go. We're getting there. Beautiful. All right, so that did the trick. This is the ECU for the John Deere, part number AM141075. Really easy fix. My hands are freezing. I am going to button everything back up, and we're gonna call it a day. So thanks for watching, and we'll see ya.